JF-17/F-17 Thunder, Pakistan fighter jet. The JF-17 Thunder, often called F-17, is a 4th plus generation multi-role fighter aircraft, jointly built by Pakistan and China. It is one of the main fighter jets of the Pakistan Air Force, PAF. Key features: multi-role fighter, air-to-air, air-to-ground, anti-ship roles. Speed, around Mach 1.6. Range, 2,000 km. Radar, AESA radar in Block 3. Cost-effective, low maintenance and operating cost. Weapons: BVR missiles, SD-10/PL-15 on Block 3. Short-range missiles. Cruise missiles. Anti-ship missiles, CM-400 AKG. JF-17 variants. JF-17 Block 1. First version. Basic multi-role capability. Entered service in 2010. JF-17 Block 2. Improved radar. Aerial refueling probe. Better avionics. JF-17 Block 3, latest and most powerful. AESA radar, like 5th-gen jets. Helmet-mounted display, HMD. PL-15 long-range BVR missile. Better electronic warfare system. Stealth-enhanced design elements. Entered PAF in 2022 to 2023. Why JF-17 is important for Pakistan. Locally produced, Pakistan's own fighter program. Low cost but strong performance. Exported to Nigeria and Myanmar. Performs roles of F-7 Mirage, A-5 replacements.